Hello everyone. Now we are moving toward the SST's another part, economics. In the earlier part, we have studied about the geography and political science. Now we'll turn toward the economics. In economics, all over five lessons are there, chapters are there. From that, one is for the project work, remaining four, which are going to assess for the CBSE board exam we are going to study in the course of learning. In the economics, the first chapter is a development. In development, what is meaning of development? How to measure it? The individual development, the term for the individual, then the term for the national level, international level, sustainable development. All these things we are going to study in this chapter. These are the points following. We will be studying development, goals of development, national development, comparison of countries, human development, measuring development, and sustainable development. These are the main points we will be studying in this chapter. The first we will understand the meaning of development. What is development? Which things can be called development? What is development? The term development, which is usually used in the scientific way, we will see what is meaning of the development. Development means just good change. The Chambers of Commerce in 1997. Development also implies increased living standards, improved health and well-being for all and achievements of whatever is regarded as a general good by society. In this second definition, it is involving the living standards, improved health, well-being, and achievement. The achievement for not one individual, it is regarding generally for the society. Next, the meaning of term development. Despite its widespread usage, remains vague, tending to refer to a set of beliefs and assumptions about a nature of social progress. It is the definition of the development given. The different people are having different goals. The people, every person from a group is not having same goal, same desire. The different people are having different goals. Through the examples we will be seeing, the two main points we are going to see here in this with the example, different people can have different development goals. There are 63 students in our class. The 63 students are not having same goal. One may is having goal to being a IIT engineer. Then may one is having desire going in a medical field, civil services, developed farmer. So these are the different goals for the different people. And next point is here. We will be discussed here. What may be development for one may not be development for others. Every development is not development to the all. If it is developing one area, one field, one front, maybe it is a destructing other field, other front. How could it? Building dams. When dams are built, it is helping to provide irrigation throughout the year. It is helping. It is completing the needs of water. It is helping to produce the electricity. But many people will be displaced from their own places. That is question, destruction to the people. So what may be development for one may not be development for others. It may be destructive for others. The first point, study with the table. The table is given in your book. You can open the book, read it, and fill up it. So you will understand, realize the meaning of development, and different people are having different goals, aspirations. For example, landless rural laborer. A landless rural laborer means he or she is not having any piece of land. He is completely dependent on the daily wages. So what he will desire? More days of work. He will always ask to desire more days of work. Along with better wages, economic and social equality, good health facilities at the local level, good education facilities at the local level. These are the aspirations, goals for a landless rural laborer. On the other hand, we will see a rich person, what he is desiring. Everyone is want to make change in his or her life. So he is desiring, he is thinking high family income. More and more income should get. Better education to their children because he want to settle his children in abroad. My child should be set in the foreign country, foreign returners. So these are the different goals having for the different people. Table 1.1 is a given in your book. Read it. What development promises different people different goals? People seek things that are most important for them. Everyone is looking for that things which are most important for one. In fact, at times, two persons or groups of persons may seek things which are conflicting. The development term is very conflicting. Maybe it is good for one, but it is destructive to the other. With the examples I have explained to you. The first point we will again explain here. If a girl and boy both are having from the same family, but in that same family, the treatment to the both is not getting same. Always, everywhere it is seen, experienced in the Indian family. Boys are getting favor than the girls. So the girl from that family will desire, I should get education opportunities as my brother is getting. And this girl child is helping in the household work also. She is ready to help to her mother or to the family in the household work, but the boy is not helping or he is not having desire to help in the family. So two things are quite clear. We have studied different person can have different developmental goals, and what may be developed for one may not be developed for the other. It may even be destructive for other. These are the two points we have studied with the above discussion.